Okay, so this is how I lost $413 trading NQ yesterday. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't make the trade recap yesterday. I was kind of busy with some things. So yeah, because it's yesterday, it was yesterday, you can't see my executions today. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you what I saw yesterday. So coming into the day, open was kind of bullish, went up, but we had this SMT with ES the whole time. SMT wasn't really willing to break above that high. So yeah, that's SMT right here. You can see like I took my first entry at 9:35 roundabout, and as you can see, ES was not really willing to go above that high right here, while NQ definitely did. We also had on the 30-minute, we also had some kind of a we also had this SIBI right here. So I was watching to see some kind of rejection. As you can see, the bodies respected CE of that gap, and it then displays down. This right here was the first presented fair value gap yesterday, and as you can see, like price went down, closed beneath CE of it, came up again into that bearish order block right here, and then went down, inversed the first presented fair value gap. So this became an inversion fair value gap. So yeah, it inversed that gap, and then it made the change in the state right here. It was like by one tick, I believe. So yeah, as you can see, like this candle opened at 251.5 and this one closed at 251 and a quarter, so like one tick below. So after the change in the state right here, price came up again. I wanted to enter at like CE of that SIBI right here, got filled a little above. Stop was the bodies of that, the high of the bodies of these candles. I didn't really want to see price go over that inversion first presented fair value gap, but as you can see, it did and stopped me out. So yeah, that was the first trade I took. And for the second trade, I was kind of looking for a re-entry because I still wanted to see lower prices, but I must admit that this was not a good trade. So I was kind of looking at equilibrium of this short-term range right here, and the 0.5, the equilibrium lined up with that bearish order block pretty good. So yeah, that is the bearish order block right here. Let me take these off just because it's kind of messy. So that lined up pretty good. We took that short-term high right here, went down again, reclaimed that bearish fair value gap right here, and then we had the equilibrium and the bearish order block lining up. And I believe we also had we had this short-term SMT. So this right here is the order block I was talking about, and as you can see, ES took all of these highs while NQ didn't. So this is a SMT as well. All of these highs ES took. So yeah, we had this bigger time frame SMT and this lower time frame SMT. Also this equilibrium of the short-term range and the bearish order block. So I just took a small entry right there. Also just got straight ran through. And then I got off for the day because I realized, like, look at this price action. It isn't really good, as I actually even expected, because we had this big run overnight and during London. So AM session was expected to be kind of shit. So looking back, I probably shouldn't even have traded at all. Maybe the PM session, because when we have a big run overnight, you should actually avoid the AM session and rather trade the PM session, because it will be more of low resistance rather than high resistance in the AM session. So yeah, probably shouldn't even have traded, took the loss, but I'm fine with it. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.